Look down. To think someone or something is not good enough. He looks down on people who have no money. Don't look down on others. Whiz off. To leave very quickly. She whizzed off to work in a hurry. He whizzed off on his bike. See off. To say goodbye to someone when they are leaving. I went to the station to see off my friend. She saw off her parents at the airport. Dish out. To give or serve food. She dished out soup to everyone. They were dishing out free ice cream at the event. Count on. To trust or depend on someone or something. I count on my friend to help me. She counts on her teacher for advice. Fish out. To take something out of bag or pocket, etc. He fished out his keys from his pocket. I fished out my phone from my bag. Chime in. To join a conversation or add your opinion. Don't chime in when adults are talking. The kid chimed in with funny comments. Put off. To delay or postpone something. She put off going to the dentist. They put off the meeting because of rain. Measure up. To be good enough or reach a standard. This bag does not measure up to my old one. The new shoes measure up to my expectations. Light up. To become happy or to make something shine. The street lights up at night. His face lit up when he saw his dog.
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more English lessons. See you in the next video. Happy learning!